We have team coverage for you all day long, from road conditions and potential power outages to how long this cold sticks around. We begin with meteorologist Chris Michaels. Chris.
Yeah, so you guys have been showing the cameras there out of Roxborough and then just next door in Henderson. This is what it looks like thanks to Kelly Stanley for that little bit of a vantage point there. So we've had some reports of 2 inches in Roxborough. Looks like we're just short of that in Henderson right now. You've got our area of low pressure in the upper levels and our area of low pressure at the surface. So as this storm kind of tilts, it strengthens a little bit and starts to pull more moisture into the area. We've had a number of reports out of Garner and Clayton that the snow is falling, maybe even sticking to some elevated surfaces. Something you're probably seeing up and down I-95, whereas they've seen several inches of snow back toward North Carolina's Piedmont and foothills. So we start out with that 50% coverage of the area right now, and then as we head into the afternoon, more and more of us will start to pick up on some snow because of the delayed start time, taking snow totals down a little bit for the triangle, down to 1 to 3, with areas to the west, the south, and the east potentially picking up a little bit more than that. Starting to see the flakes flying in Rocky Mount. Elizabeth, looking pretty wintry there.
It is. We take a live look here, and some fairly big flakes flying around. It may be hard for you to see it there, but definitely starting to increase a little bit in coverage in terms of how much we have coming down in Rocky Mount. Our temperature in the triangle has dropped. Obviously, we normally see temperatures climbing, but we're down to 20 right now under cloudy skies with a northeast wind at 13 miles per hour. One thing that I'll mention about these cold temperatures, we're not likely to see a whole lot of the snow melting on the roads because it's been cold. Instead, you might see snow blowing around on the roads. Our temperature only likely to climb into the low 20s for our highs this afternoon. This is a look at the wind speeds and gusts. Speeds on the left, gusts on the right. So we're gusting to 25 right now in Raleigh and Durham, 31 in Fayetteville, 25 in Clinton, and 24 in Rocky Mount and Wilson. So it's getting pretty windy out there, and that definitely affects the wind chill. It feels like 6 in Roxborough and 7 in the Triangle, as well as Rocky Mount, Wilson, and South Hill. Feels like 10 to 11 in Clinton, Fayetteville, and Southern Pines. Futurecast wind gusts. So again, we're gusting in some places up to around 30 miles per hour right now. We'll hold that steady through the afternoon, and then overnight the winds may pick up a bit, gusting to 30 in Raleigh, but up to 35 or 40 along the I-95 corridor, and then those winds begin to taper off a little bit as we get into tomorrow. Cold weather advisory for wind chill in the single digits, and we're definitely seeing that right now. We're going to see those single-digit wind chills really all day today in the Triangle, and then the extreme cold warning for tomorrow, where it's going to feel like below 0. This is a look at the wind chills as we get into the day tomorrow. 0, -2, -7. Ken, are you ready for that?
We